Oh, hey there, guys.
Just washing my hair.
Just shaving my armpit. Cause
That's shenanigans.
Oh my god! Word of the day.
Just like my hair.
Shenanigans.
I have stuff on my hands. But anyways,
I'm sorry.
word of the day, shenanigans. It's a prank of some sort. Like those damn kids and their damn shenanigans. Megan, take it over.
What?
Take it over!
Oh yeah, over. Shenanigans are crazy things. They're like sitting in the bathtub, that's a pretty crazy shenanigan, eh?
And like your mom in bed.
I'm telling my mom.
Not her mom. No, not mine either.
I'm telling my
dear.
mommy. And
No, your mom.
She's gonna cry.
Yours.
It's gonna be horrible.
Your mom. Not yours, yours.
I'm still telling my mommy!
This is my real hair, by the way.
I keep like brushing my hair with this thing. It feels really
This is how we brush our hair. And this is how we wrap up a video.